Hi guys, so really quickly, I am going to change into my new set of aligners. I'm going to be wearing month 5, week 1. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I actually am seeing lots of progress. I still have a little ways to go, and I know that I'm probably gonna have to do some type of like refinements, but I actually left my aligners at my grandmother's house because I just ate over there, but I forgot to put them back in / take them with me, so I am already home now, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and change, and I'm well overdue, so let's put these in. Okay, so I already brushed my teeth. Like I said, I just made it in home, so let's see what we're looking like here. So since my teeth is clean and everything is looking good, here's what my eyeliner looks like. That's the top row. Let me see, I don't know. See, because my walls are neutral. And then here's the bottom. So let's put the bottom in first. Oh, God. I hate new sets. Ugh. And yeah, Sadie. That's my gap. So as you can see, I'm still gonna have a gap. Once this tooth shifts over, I'm still gonna have gapping issues right here. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the top part. Really quick, this. Oh, no. No, no, no. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a chewy. Let me get a chewy really quick. I have a chewy right here, so. I'm like sweating now. So I have to wear these for the rest of the. What? I have to wear this set for 1 week. On 5, week 1. And the chewy definitely snaps it in place. But other than that, it's the same old, and now I'm having the same old pressure and the same old tension in my mouth that I hate. That's why I'm not supposed to, but I really kind of give my mouth time to heal when changing these things because it is intense, and sometimes I did experience like bleeding. But I am gonna insert you guys some 3D images of my 3D scan from when I started my journey until where I am now. As you guys can see, That's my tooth right here. And then I don't know what's going on right here. Or back here. This isn't gonna move. So, yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna insert my 3D images and some photographs. So yeah guys, I'm still gonna keep you posted. I know it's been a while, but stay tuned, stay watching, subscribe, and thumbs up this video. And if you are interested in joining Smile Direct Club, make sure you check out the description box because there is a link to where you guys can save money on your impression kit. So make sure you guys check all of that out and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!